Hello everyone, this is Rita Srivastav. Today I am going to teach you a B8 4th semester topic, that is a computer education elective paper, that is, and in the other elective papers and other subjects related to your colleges and school, that is very beneficial to your exams as well as in any competitive exams or in a way of your subjects, guys. So please follow me all, guys, and thank you so much all for listening my video. So listen, I hope you all understand very well, and this notes is also very available, very beneficial to everyone, guys. Okay, so listen first, guys. Computer education. Computer, you know very well, that is a electronic machine. We also call it as a device also. Okay, in the computer what happened? Computer inputs the data which stores in the way by using the input device, that is keyboard and mouse, and after that processing it and give the result in the form of output. आउटपुट जो इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को मिल रहा है, that is by using the input device and processing unit, and in the form of result that is comes out in your monitor screen or in the form of printer. Okay, in the form of hard copy and soft copy. So कंप्यूटर का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? दैट इज अ कॉमनली ऑपरेटेड मशीन पर्टिकुलरली यूज ट्रेनिंग एजुकेशन रिसर्च. ऐसा मशीन जिसको आप मोस्टली कॉमनली ऑपरेट करते हो, वो एक मशीन के फॉर्म में है. वो पर्टिकुलरली किस लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है? एज अ ट्रेनिंग, एज अ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन फील्ड में किया जाता है, इसको रिसर्च फील्ड में किया जाता है. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल्ड एज अ कॉमनली ऑपरेटेड मशीन पर्टिकुलरली यूज फॉर ट्रेनिंग एजुकेशन रिसर्च. क्लियर गाइस? और इस कंप्यूटर वर्ड को कंप्यूट वर्ड से डिराइव किया गया है. क्लियर? एंड मोस्ट ऑल हैव अ डाउट रिगार्डिंग द डाटा. क्या होता है? डाटा इज योर रॉ फैक्ट. कलेक्शन ऑफ रॉ फैक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डाटा. सो डाटा क्या है? एक तरीके का कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ, दैट इज, जैसे हमने कंप्यूटर @123 लिखा तो COMPUTER दैट इज combined to form alphabets. Alphabet से जो word बना है that is your in the form of data only. Clear? And @ is your symbol and 1 2 3 is the number. That means the combination of these alphabets, special symbols and numbers, we called it as a data. Clear everyone? And this collection of the data we get the in the form of information, that is a true fact, and we get the knowledge. Clear? So the father of computer everyone know, I think, that is the Charles Babbage. And the most two important parts of computer that is divided majorly in the form of two, that is the physical part of computer, we called it as a hardware, and the sets of the program is called as a software. Sets of programs means what? Your application software and operating system. Physical parts of the computer means your hardware devices, and that is the machinery part of your computer, that is called as a hardware. And sets of program, that is your MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, that all is a sets of programs called as a software. Okay, three main important जो parts होती computer के, that is your input device and the CPU and output device. Input, that I clearly you listen first, that is the most important, and in the exam also you have to just draw this diagram. This is very important for scoring your marks. Clear? The way of writing of your format in the examination with diagrams, with points up to the topics, subheadings, that is very helpful in scoring more and more marks in exam. Clear? That is the block diagram. This is also most important topic in your computer. Input device, how the computer overall computer system work. That means input device, that is inputting the data by using the keyboard and mouse. Clear? फिर वो क्या करता है? इनपुट डाटा से सपोज हमने जो वर्ड्स मैंने एग्जांपल बताया था, सपोज कंप्यूटर @123 वी टाइपिंग. ओके, हमको ये इंफॉर्मेशन मिलना चाहिए एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ द रिजल्ट. Where we get this result? We get is here in the output. But इसके पहले डायरेक्टली तो आपको मिलता नहीं है ये स्क्रीन पे. इसके पहले ये फर्दर प्रोसेस जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, दैट इज द प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. CPU is called as a brain of computer. Okay, so this inputting data, just we type from the input device this data that I explained earlier, that is the data information. ये alphabets, symbols and number, that is combination of, we called it as a data. और ये क्या है, एक information के form में display किस में हो रहा है, in output device. Clear? तो ये सबसे पहले जब हम टाइप करते हैं, then it goes into the processing unit, and that is mostly main three are there, that is your memory unit, arithmetic logic unit and control unit. So in this processing unit, the memory unit जो है वो क्या करता है, that is storing the data, and arithmetic logic unit just takes the numerical mathematical values for calculations. Clear? And control unit control over all the processing unit. Then finally it goes into the monitor screen, that is your output device in the form of your result. Clear guys? Hope you understand this block diagram of computer. This is most important, and everyone draw this block diagram in exam also. Listen first, see properly everyone. And the input device examples, you have to just increase your way of writing. जितने लॉन्ग फॉर्म में लिखोगे और टाइम को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हुए, दैट यू हैव टू कवर ऑल दिस इनपुट डिवाइस. क्लियर? एंड द आउटपुट डिवाइस नेम्स ऑल्सो मोर देन 10, एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 10 तो आप सभी को लिखना ही चाहिए. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड फाइनली इन द वे ऑफ आंसर, इफ यू कंप्लीटेड, एट लास्ट आपको कंक्लूजन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, कि आपने क्या समझा और कंप्यूटर क्यों यूज़फुल है, उसका क्या वर्क है और कितना बेनिफिशियल है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एडवांटेजेस. यू हैव टू राइट इन द कंक्लूजन. ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस टॉपिक, and dealing the next in the next video. Thank you everyone.